Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Magim Naqviz here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected parents, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. In the class, today we taught to the students uppercase and lowercase letter M, its formation, its sound and vocabulary words. Okay. At home, how could you teach letter M? First of all, take a mug, keep it on the table and say mug, 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 mouth, 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 mouth. Okay, start from the first line, come straight down, keep your pencil on the red dot. Make a slant line, come slant down, go slant up. Make a straight line, it will make capital M. Start from second line, come straight down, jump, jump again. Make a loop, it will make small m. The letter name is M, the sound of M is Monkey, mouse, mango, mug, monkey, mouse, mango, mug. Manners, cover your mouth while cough or sneeze. After that, we will tell a story. Story time. I hope so you enjoyed it a lot and you will teach same like this. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.